So, hi, good morning, grade 1. This is teacher Alex. So, welcome to our art time. The title of our lesson 1 in art is all about texture. Now, let's have our objective. The first one, give the meaning of texture. Second, tell the difference between physical and visual texture. And the last one, identify and classify their object according to its appearance, such as colors or texture. So these are the objectives that we need to meet at the end of this lesson. Now let's move on to our next slide. Okay, now I have these two pictures. Can you please see and answer my questions? So what kind of lines and shape do you see in the picture? So in the picture, we can see a different lines, right? So we can see a curved line, a straight line, or a zigzag line. So those are the lines that we can see in the two picture. So we can see different lines and shapes in the picture. And then what do you think it will feel like to touch the cat? How about the fish? So we can have the cat has soft and then the fish has a soft also. Okay, now let's move on to the next. Now let us discuss what is texture. Texture, each object has its own size, shape, weight, and texture. So every object around us has its own size, shape, weight, and texture. And when we say texture, it describes how something feels when we touch it. It feels like silky or glassy. We say it is smooth, okay? And it is feels bumpy or gritty, we call it rough. So when we talk about texture, we are talking about the smoothness or the roughness of an object surface. So that is texture. Now let's move on. So we have different types of textures. We have smooth, rough, hard, soft, woven, or bumpy. So that are the different kinds of texture. Now let us watch the song for texture. Okay, just kindly click the link and then watch the texture song. And then after that, let us move on to the next slide. So we have two types of texture. The first one is the physical texture. So now, what is physical texture, teacher Alex? When we say physical texture, is related to the sense of touch. We need to touch and feel the object to know. Um, Now, let us more elaborate it. Physical texture is something we can feel with our sense of touch. To know an object texture, we need to touch and feel its surface. So some example is a piece of silk feels smooth. And then the second one is a rock may feel rough or bumpy. And by using our hands, we can discover whether something is soft, hard, smooth, or rough. So that is a physical texture. Now, let's move on to the next slide, which is a visual texture. So this is the second type of texture. On the other hand, when we use our sense of sight to tell the textures of an object, we are observing visual texture. Sometimes we can guess how something feels just by looking at it, even before we touch it. Okay, and when we use our sense of sight to tell the texture of an object, we are observing what called visual texture. So for example, a picture of tree bark looks rough, even though the paper is smooth. Second, a pottery of silk looks soft and shiny, even if we can actually feel it. So that is a visual texture. Again, the two types of texture are physical texture and visual texture. So, again, when we say visual texture, it is how an object's surface appears to our eyes, while physical texture is what we feel with our hands. So that are the two types of textures. So now, okay, so for our next activity, we will answer page 91 to page 92 for our next meeting. So ito ay face to face. So that will be the end of our lesson 1 in art time. Again, the title of our lesson 1 in art is all about textures. So now, bye for now, grade 1. Thank you for listening.